Hey guys, Sean at Cowtown, USA. We've got a really nice Merhow. It's an 8312 with the 9-foot slide. Let's walk around this trailer and look at it. As usual, we start up here at the front. We've got your dual hydraulic jacks. We've got your jiffy jack underneath the spare tire, aluminum battery box. We've got your sewer hose up there as well. This trailer does have a power awning with the LED light strip underneath it. We've got your 2 outside speakers. It's also got the aluminum wheels on it as well. Hay rack, the big bus windows on the hip side. Lets a lot of air through there. We step around here to the back, guys. We've got your rear ramp. This trailer will have a collapsible rear tack. It's also got adjustable saddle racks. It's got your blanket bars on the door. Step in here to the horse area. It's all lined, insulated. It's got your 2-way pop-up vents up on the roof. Big LED lights. It's got your stud divider at the lower stud divider. It's also got the airflow dividers in it as well. Back on the back, we've got your load lights. Once again, bridle racks, adjustable saddle racks, collapsible rear tack. It's also got tail lights high and low. Slip around to this side. It's got the upgraded ladder, the pull-out ladder, so climbing up to that hay rack, whole lot easier. We've got your drop-down windows with the built-in face guards. And the thing I like about Merhow's window, they're an aluminum frame window, guys. You don't have to slam them in your horse's face. You can just barely lift them up here and push, and they shut. Same with their manger doors. You don't have to slam them. You can just push them shut. We've got your flip-up step right here. We've got your briar door latch. You can use that as a mudroom as well. And we've got your pass-through door. Once again, I said 9-foot slide. This trailer is also equipped with your Sandy flush. What that is, you can screw your hose to that and flush out your black tank. Let's slip around and look at the inside. All right, we step into the inside of this trailer. This is one of my favorite floor plans. It's a 12-foot short wall, a lot of open floor space. Got the 9-foot slide, got the big fridge. It's a 12-volt fridge. It's really, really deep. Same thing with the freezer. Just a really big freezer. We've got really good steps to the bed. They're kind of right in the center of the trailer, which is really nice. The trailer's also equipped. It has your fireplace. TV does pull off the wall, so you can see it from the couch really easy. It is pre-wired for a TV up in the bed area if you'd want one up there. We've got a big closet over here that can be used as a pantry, or it's got a hanging rod on both, high and low. This trailer also, if we look up here in the bed, in the corner up there, it also has solar up on the roof. And there's your control panel over there, so you can kind of see what it's doing. There's also electric outlets on both sides of the bed as well. We come over here, recessed cooktop. We've got your convection microwave, big dual sinks. We got wood cabinets. They're not just vinyl wrap. One thing I really like about this trailer, 12-foot, a lot of open floor space, but we step into the bathroom in here. Guys, this trailer's got your big, we're going to call it a walk-in closet. It's got your bigger shower, tons of storage, hanging bar high, hanging bar low, and a shelf in the middle. We got the neo-angle shower over here, guys. Also have the upgraded to the porcelain stool. We have the max airflow vent, so it's got the rain sensor and stuff on it. Also has your sink in the bathroom, then your big medicine cabinet there. This trailer's also got the gas and electric hot water heater. It's a 10-gallon hot water heater. All your controls are right here. So guys, if you're needing a trailer that is not a very big trailer but has a lot of open floor space, a lot of really cool features, come look at this trailer. Go to cowtownusainc.com or give us a call, 573-885-6300.